Scaling a Prism Central cluster from a single node to 3 offers significant operational advantages. By moving to a 3-node architecture, the system ensures high availability by maintaining 2 copies of data across different physical nodes. This expansion not only boosts aggregate performance and increases the capacity to manage more VMs and clusters, but also enables rolling software and hardware upgrades for zero downtime operations. This process is irreversible. You cannot downgrade a 3-node PC cluster back to a single node. While logged into Prism Central in infrastructure mode, click on Prism Central Settings. Now click on Prism Central Management, and then click on Scale Out. In the dialog box that appears, enter the virtual IP to be used for the new 3-node cluster. Next, provide the static IP addresses for the 2 new PCVMs that will be created. Now we'll assign names for the 2 new PCVMs. Click Expand to confirm and start the process. This may take some time depending on the size of the environment. Here you can see that you now have 3 nodes. Once the task completes, verify that all 3 nodes are healthy and that the cluster is accessible via the new virtual IP. Now that the 2 new VMs are deployed, ensure that the right resources are allocated to both. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.